Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by verifying essentials so the fix steps work. First, make sure your Roblox client and OS are updated. Outdated clients often trigger error 267. Next, clear Roblox cache and restart your router to eliminate stale connections. Log out of Roblox, wait 10 seconds, and log back in to refresh your session tokens. Also check that your account isn't temporarily restricted or banned, and that the game server isn't kicking new connections. Once done, move to deeper troubleshooting. Now you'll tackle mid-level causes that often produce error 267. Run Roblox as administrator to grant proper socket permissions, and disable overlays like Discord or OBS which inject DLLs and can cause kicks. Check the specific game's script. If you're a developer, inspect any client-side kick scripts or group role checks. Make sure your account meets role requirements. Finally, temporarily disable antivirus or firewall to see if ports or executable access are blocked. If that stops the error, to finish, perform a clean reinstall. Uninstall Roblox, delete cache and Roblox app data folders, then reinstall the latest client. After reinstall, test joining the same game on a different network or device to isolate ISP or machine-specific problems. If you still see error 267, collect evidence. Note the exact time, server name, and any console errors, and then message the game owner or developer with those logs so they can check server-side kick logic. Quick troubleshooting tip: try a different account to rule out account-specific bans.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.